always excited. But guys, if you are a content creator, if you are a content creator of any type, of any kind, on any platform, I invite you to come on closer. Let's dive into the magic side of this world. This is like the best.
C'est ça. Quel genre de diplôme tu veux avoir? Oh bébé. Dans ton championnat tu es là, y a plus prolongation. Oh bébé.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and you guys know I like to do a little bit of variety. So as you saw on the thumbnail, if you're interested, we're talking today about Amazon gadgets that I've really been discovering thanks to TikTok and as well as YouTube. So when you combine both, I think I'm done for a while. I've bought a lot of things from Amazon, and I might do a couple of series coming here soon, and we're starting with this one. I think I've done one video in the past, and I'll link it as well down below. It was also a tech must-have, and I think you would enjoy it. And this one is more of a like a YouTuber, content creator, videographer, blogger type of tech video, and I hope you guys will like it. I think it's very important to watch this. It will really wow you. Please don't mind the b-roll because I don't have a great lighting area or a great place to film apart from here, but I don't have a table, so I couldn't bring it here. So I'm going to change the setting a little bit, so please bear with me, and I'm going to show you what I've been really enjoying from Amazon. The only sad thing about this is I cannot make money off of anything from here from Amazon because I don't meet the qualifications yet, but we shall in the future. So I don't have an Amazon storefront, so I can't help you guys on that, but I'll show all the boxes as well as the names, so you guys can go ahead and type it in the search bar on Amazon and shop, and that will be that easy. That's how I did it when I was looking for products. I just went in and typed in what I was looking for, and things came in. Or when someone talked about it, I would also click on the links or just type it, same thing. I usually click on people's links so I can help them get the commission because I'm a content creator, so I do understand. So I like to support. I actually like when people put links on the videos. So again, I don't have an Amazon storefront because I don't qualify, unfortunately, but any other links that I put, usually I do get a little bit of commission when people use it, so I would appreciate it if you do. And that's about it. So guys, let me know if you enjoy these tools, if you've known about them, or if you will try them. Come back and let me know what you think. And if you also have any other ideas and suggestions for me, I am always excited. But guys, if you are a content creator, if you are a content creator of any type, of any kind, on any platform, I invite you to come on closer. Let's dive into the magic side of this world. This is like the best thing ever. Like, this is what makes this all come together. Like, I am a full production company, right? Like this right here is a full production. I'm not just a makeup, beauty, content creator. I'm not just makeup and beauty and reviews and all that. I am a whole production system, right? I can film, I can product, I can direct, I can draft ideas. I know how to edit videos. I know how to create content. I know how to deliver content. I know how to persuade you to buy. I know how to keep you engaged. I know how to keep you coming back. It's a lot more that meets the eye when you're coming into a video and you're clicking and you're watching for 30 seconds or 15 seconds or more. Guys, there is it's passion, and you can feel it when it's there, and it takes time, it takes effort, it takes creativity, it takes all of you when you really like it, guys. So I want to invite you to really support your content creators, because when you feel that they're passionate about it, you know they've given some time. Because one video of 30 seconds can take as long as it can take from a day to more. Like, just creating a 30-second video, guys, it depends on what you're doing, but I don't think it would take less than 2 hours. It depends on how creative you want to be and detailed. It can take so long. It can even take weeks at a time. So it really depends on the content creator and how much they care about their quality. But filming can take days and weeks and even sometimes months. So yes, guys, I just had to reiterate that so you guys can know it's not as easy as it looks. So without further ado, let's go, guys. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so that's pretty much the first product. It's only for the table though, and that's pretty much how far it goes up, and you just push it down when you want to, just like such, and that's how far low it can go. You can also use it landscape, so that's pretty much how short it will be. Okay, so that's the next product. It's like a mini handheld travel tripod, and it comes with an attachment for the camera. This is the camera attachment, and this one is the actual, that's the remote control. If you have Android or iOS devices, you can use this as a Bluetooth pairing and take selfies. And this one is actually the camera attachment if you have a little camera. So this is really for on the go. And this right here is the body, and as you can see right here, you just put in your camera right here, and it expands pretty well. So it does open very wide. It says it can open up to an iPad, but I don't believe it. I wouldn't try it. And that's the packaging. And this one is actually quite flexible, so it can hang on to trees or wires or whatever you have. So it's pretty flexible. So the next thing I have is the 6 AC outlets with 2 USB ports. Actually translates as a night lamp as well with different settings. So it's actually pretty cool. I actually really like it. It makes you have that kind of hotel vibe, if you will, and it's pretty dope. I actually got 2. As you can see, I have 2. That's just how it looks like, and you can actually screw this onto your wall if you want to, but I don't need to. And that's the back, and you can tap here for your different light settings, which I really like. And yeah, so I'll show you guys that in a second. All right, you guys, you see I just plugged it on, and you see how like you can just tap it once low, tap it again off, tap it again high, tap it again medium, tap it again low, and tap it again off. So it's pretty good. Okay, the next thing I have is this lightning to SD camera reader. Honestly, if you film a lot, and then you know how it's so hard to convert when you buy different cameras, you have to download their software to upload your videos, things like that. But this is the fastest way. If you film on your camera, you can actually just take the SD card, insert it into this, and upload it onto your phone and edit on the go, or from your phone to your computer very fast, or from your camera to your computer very fast. It's so good. I just had to show you guys how this looks. It's just amazing, guys. You need this in your life if you're filming and vlogging and you have a lot of videos to send in between your devices. Granted, even if you have like iOS devices, you still need one if you have a camera, because the cameras are not iOS like compatible with AirDrop, so you still need this, and it's pretty good. So just buy an SD card. So the next thing here is the selfie stick tripod, which honestly you really don't need this one. I got this selfie one after I already gotten this, but if you have this one, you are all set. I already have it all set up, so it's actually pretty tall. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it into this window right here, but it's actually really good. So that's it doubles up as a tripod and as a selfie stick when you're traveling and you want to take selfies. I haven't used it as a selfie stick yet. Okay, you see on the bottom here, that's actually where the remote sits, which I love, because with the other one there's no spot for the remote. So that I really like. It just stays right there. It is pretty tall. All the details on the height are available online, but like legitimately it's very tall. Like I think it's 52 inches tall. I'm not really sure, but that's pretty much how tall that is. It's very tall. It's almost to my, so this actually goes up to my nose, and it's pretty cool. It's really easy to use, guys. You pretty much just open these things and just drop it down. That's how easy it is. And you see how it keeps dropping down. That one dropped down. That's how easy it is. And you can just flip it and use it as a selfie. Like, that's how easy it is. I like also, okay, so I really like also that you can flip it any way, any direction, and your phone actually screws in. So this will screw in versus like, I don't know, I think it's more sturdy that way, and you can just screw it here to move it around, or you loosen this button right here and move it up or down, and then you screw it to make it tight. Okay, and like I said, you can move this around to wherever you like your phone or your camera to be, and then you can just screw this in and it will lock in your actual device. So that's pretty much how that is. I really like this product, y'all. So to use it as a selfie, you pretty much push it all down like this and close the legs and use it as a selfie, and just take your remote control and you should be good to rock and roll. That easy. Wireless car charger, which lights up, and it kind of has a sensor. As you approach your device to it, it kind of opens up and tugs it in. It's not charging my iPhone as of now, which is kind of annoying. I don't know why, but I'll have to figure it out. So it might or might not charge your phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max and it's supposed to be compatible with it, but hey, so if you're vlogging all the time in your car, you might need that, at least for that. So the only other thing is inconvenient is that if you don't have a cigarette lighter, it might be annoying having to have the cable go back to like your armrest, because in my car, for instance, I have an armrest and the armrest has the USB ports in it, so I feel like there's cables going in between me as I'm driving, and I don't like that. So I pretty much had to buy this USB charging port from Amazon so I can plug it right in my cigarette lighter, because it's just, I didn't like having cables everywhere. So that's the only inconvenience. I'll kind of show you guys a demo in my car, because obviously it won't work here because you need that power. So yeah, so you might have to get something like this so you can plug this into your cigarette lighter and have this wireless car charger plug into it, and then it will perform. So I don't think you need this because of all the inconveniences, but honestly I already bought it, and so there we are. So I'm filming with my phone. I'm gonna show it to you guys without a phone, and I'll try to see if I can film it at night too, if I can, so you guys can see the light. But pretty much you just bring your phone up close like that, and then it closes and adjusts and holds your phone, and you can mount it on top here on your dashboard, or you can clip it like that. But you kind of see what I mean. You need this port right here, or else you would have to kind of use your armrest, which is kind of inconvenient because it will drag. You see that? So yeah, so that is it at night. That is it by night, and it lights up pretty much. So that's it. That's it for this item, you guys. And the last thing I have is this like portable ring light device. It has, I think, 3 different light settings, and the only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have a wall plug. It's like a USB type of charge, so you need like an adapter with it, but it's fine, whatever. I'm actually using that light right now to light up this area. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Bam, that's the light. I've been using it to light up all these products because I don't have a good lighting setup, and it's pretty good, easy to set up. So there it is. It's pretty easy to set up. Like I said, it doesn't have an adapter, it's just USB. That is the remote right there, okay? And then you press the power button, turn it off. That's the light right there, that's the white. Turn it off. If you want to switch the intensity, you just press up or down on the minus. You might not be able to see it because of the lighting, but I'm gonna do it. So that's the highest, that's the low, medium, and that's it, low. And it keeps dimming down, as you guys can see. Can you see that? And that's the lowest. And then if I want to go back up, and that's the highest. And then to switch between light settings, you do this in the middle. That's kind of like the yellowish, and that's the white, and that's like the extra white. So like LED type of thing. You see that? So I'm gonna do it again. Press the middle, yellow, medium white, and LED white, if you will. And then there you go, there you go. So you can kind of see. Okay, and get the intensity is the minus to go down, and then plus to go up. And as you can see right here in the middle, if you film makeup beauty videos, you can put your phone right here in the middle, and it's supposed to hold it up. And I think it's also 100, I think it's supposed to move. So this one moves in either direction, so you have that, and I guess it can flip back as well, if you will. It's kind of wobbly, so be careful with that too. And you just attach the middle part to the bottom, and then the top to the middle part right here, and you screw it in right here. And I feel like there's something else with this that you need to know, and it's by Newer. I had gotten one before from them, but I didn't really like it because it was too much. So it has a 180 degrees up and down rotation, and that's about it. So all right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, always don't forget to praise God. Don't forget to stay tuned or come back later. I have more videos. All your comments and opinions and suggestions and constructive criticism, I welcome it down below or on my blog or my social media platforms. Thank you again so much, and I'll see you guys soon. God bless. Ciao. Bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.